Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share winter special dumpling soup recipe. Minced chicken 1 kilogram. Soy sauce 3 tablespoons. Lime juice 2 tablespoons. Black pepper 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder 2 tablespoons. Onion powder 2 tablespoons. Ginger powder 1.5 tablespoons. Green chili 2 tablespoons. Spring onion 1 cup. Corn flour 2 tablespoons. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Melted butter 1/2 cup. Mix well. Rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, mix again. Making dumplings. Follow the steps. Done. You can freeze up to month. Making soup. Water 4 cups. Maggi Thai soups 2-pack. Mix. Lemon leaf 2 pieces, frozen. Green chili 2 teaspoons. Soy sauce 2 teaspoons. Ketchup 2 tablespoons. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Mix. Add dumplings. Little bit salt. Stir. Shrimp 8 to 10 pieces small, optional. You can use mushrooms as well. Stir. Cook 6 to 8 minutes. Done. Garnish with fresh coriander leaf. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.